Hi friends, in this video let us learn how to create stacked histogram in Primavera P6. Let us get started now. This is my sample project schedule. In the menu bar, click on View and Show on bottom. Select Resource Usage Profile. In the left side portion, click on Display and select Filter By and select Current Project's Resources. Now in the graph section, click on Display and select Stacked Histogram from menu. You will notice that the graph area goes blank. Right-click here and choose the Resource Usage Profile options. In this dialog, click on Add button at the bottom of the Data tab. In the Filters dialog, give a name to the filter. Say Rigging. This will be the name of the stacked bars now. Click on the parameter and select resource name. In the Is field, select Contains and in the Value field, type Rigging and click on OK. Now you will see that the first stacked bar picks the blue color. Similarly, click on Add and repeat the process to add other resources like installation, pipework, chemical, ductwork. The final output will look like this now. This is awesome, right? You can in fact save this as a layout using the Save Layout feature. You can now export or print and start using for reporting purposes. Got it? I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.